అంటే మొత్తం ఎంటైర్ స్క్రీనే మొత్తం అన్ని అందులో సబ్ విండోస్ అన్ని రోజు డైలీ రెగ్యులర్ డేస్ లాగానే. ఉమ్. ఆ, మీరు చేసినప్పుడు కూడా నాకు కనిపించట్లే, అది నా స్టార్టెడ్ షేరింగ్ అనే కనిపిస్తుంది. ఒక్క నిమిషం నేను ఆపుతాను నేను అయితే అది. మీరు మీరు షేర్ చేయండి. ఇప్పుడు మాకేం కనిపిస్తుంది, మీ స్క్రీన్ కనిపించట్లా. నరేష్ ఐ టెక్నాలజీ ఈ స్టార్టింగ్ టు షేర్ అంతే, బ్లాంక్ కనిపిస్తుంది ఇంకా. మొత్తం వీవింగ్ నరేష్ ఐటి స్క్రీన్ షేరింగ్ ఈస్ బ్లాంక్, మొత్తం బ్లాంక్ ఉంది, మాకు కనిపించట్లేదు. అది వెబ్ఎక్స్ లో ఏమైనా ప్రాబ్లం ఉంది అనుకుంటా. ఇప్పుడు రెక్టిఫై కాదా ఇది? అదే మరి ఏమన్నా ఈ మధ్యలో అయింది ఇది. అన్నిటికీ అట్నే వస్తుందా, నా క్లాస్ కన్నా? అదే అదే అదే, అది ఇక్కడ హార్డ్వేర్ అతను ఉన్నాడు, ఏమన్నా చెప్పాలనా? వాళ్ళకి కూడా ఏం తెలుసులే కానీ. ఉమ్, మరి ఏం చేయాలి? సరే అయితే ఇంకా ఈ 21 మీనింగ్ 10/28 ఉంది కదా. ఓకే, సరే అయితే అట్లే చేస్తా అయితే. సరే అయితే. సరే ఆఫ్లైన్ వదిలేస్తా అయితే. సరేలే అయితే నేను వాళ్ళతో మాట్లాడి మళ్ళీ క్వశ్చన్లు అడుగుతా ఉంటా, అందరినీ కలిపి కంబైన్డ్ క్వశ్చన్లు అడుగుతా ఉంటా. ఓకే. లేదు మాకు కనిపించట్లేదు, ఇప్పుడు మళ్ళీ షేర్ చేయండి మీరు. మేక్ సార్ మేక్
This meeting is being recorded.
కనిపించట్లే. ఇప్పుడు ఇది ఉంది కదా, నరేష్ ఐ టెక్నాలజీస్ స్టార్టెడ్ టు షేర్ కంటెంట్, బ్లాంక్ కనిపిస్తుంది నాకు. ఉమ్. ఒక్క నిమిషం ఉండి నేను స్టూడెంట్స్ అడుగుతా. స్టూడెంట్స్, ఆర్ యూ ఏబుల్ టు సీ ద స్క్రీన్? ఆన్లైన్ స్టూడెంట్స్, ఆర్ యూ ఏబుల్ టు సీ ద స్క్రీన్ నౌ? ఆన్లైన్ స్టూడెంట్స్. నాకు మెసేజ్ రావట్లే, ఈ మెసేజ్లు కూడా రావట్లే వాళ్ళవి. ఉన్నాయా? వాళ్ళు రైజింగ్ ద హ్యాండ్ ఉంది. నువ్వు హోస్ట్ ఉన్నావు కాబట్టి ఓకే. సో అంటే ఇక్కడ ఏదో ప్రాబ్లం ఉందా నా దగ్గర? ఉన్నాడు ఇక్కడ ఆయన హార్డ్వేర్ అతను. నీకు అనిపిస్తుంది ఇప్పుడు నేను చేసిన స్క్రీన్? ఓకే. అట్లే నాది ఇట్లా అనిపించింది, మీది చేసినప్పుడు కూడా అట్లే అనిపించింది దీనికి. ఏదో ఇష్యూ ఉంది. సర్లే అయితే. ఓకే ఓకే సరే అయితే. స్టూడెంట్స్, సో హ్యావింగ్ సమ్ ఇష్యూ విత్ ద స్క్రీన్. Students, when anything progress in the screen? Okay, some issue with this. Anyhow, so today I'll stop the class. I'll stop the class now. I'll ask some questions in the class. I'll ask some questions in the class. Okay? Screens off. 1 minute. Screens off. What about 11 a.m. class? 11 a.m. class is there. We will fix that issue. 11 a.m. class is there, and don't go to underground totally from 11 o'clock onwards. 11 o'clock class. No, Dhirendra Jain, all the students in the online, be in the online. I will ask the questions, try to answer the questions. And here, offline students and online students, I will ask one by one. And online students also try to participate. So first I'll start with boys or girls? Boys or girls? Ladies first. ఏమ్మా స్టార్ట్ చేద్దామా? రెడీ లేదా? ఆర్ యు నాట్ రెడీ? యు నాట్ ఏబుల్ టు ఆన్సర్? బ్రేక్ఫాస్ట్ అయిపోయిందా? డిన్నర్, లంచ్ అండ్ డెస్ట్, ఎవ్రీథింగ్? నో. ఓకే, ఫస్ట్ ఐ విల్ స్టార్ట్ విత్ బాయ్స్. బాయ్స్ ఐ విల్ స్టార్ట్. Stand up now. So what is the use of NUMPY? Quickly, use of NUMPY. Hmm? For calculating, say bigger. For calculating. M. Harish, very good. Come on. Why I put the screens off? Because you should not see what answers the online students are answering. Right. Next. What is the use of NUMPY? Good. So studied now. Very good. Good. Anyhow, good. Sit down. Next. What is NDRA? Quick. What is NDRA? M. Harish, very good. What is NDRA? So NDRA is one of the predefined class which allows us to store the data one dimensional, two dimensional, and n dimensional format. So we use NDRA. Right. Now, stand up. What is 1D? Don't tell one dimensional. What is 1D? Don't know. So 1D means what? Organizes the data in the flattened format. That is called 1D. Next. What are the attributes of NDRA? Attributes of NDRA. Attributes of NDRA. Silence. Don't know. Right. Attributes of NDRA as D-type, shape, endim, size, shape, and all those things. You know that. Right. Next. What is the use of array of function? Array of function. Very good. It is used to convert any traditional Python object, not only iterable out, any traditional Python object into NDRA. Right. What is the one difference between traditional Python object and NDRA? Yes. That you have to tell in this way. NDRA object memory space takes less memory space for large sampling of data. For small samplings, we cannot go for what? NDRA. That is taking NDRA is a best for large samplings. It is very less for what? The best for traditional object is for small data. Big data is for what? NDRA object. Next. What is vector based operation? What is vector based operation? What is vector based operation? So adding single value to the NDRA object is called vector based operation. Next. What is 2 comma 2 comma 2?
This meeting is being recorded.
Online students, is it clear? Is the screen is visible now? Is the screen is visible now? Okay. So problem ఏంటి? హ్యాంగ్ అయిందా? ఓకే. సరే అందులో క్లాస్ తర్వాత నువ్వు ఒక 10 మినిట్స్ తర్వాత రా. 10:45కి వచ్చేసి. రైట్. సో ఓకే స్టూడెంట్స్. What is the syntax of full function? Shape comma variable name equal to numpy dot full of shape comma fill data. Fill underscore value is equal to value. Fill underscore value is equal to value. And you need to write d type also. Okay. Right. Good. Sit down. So now I'll go to entering into the further. Students, now I'll move to the statistical operations. So I'll continue this session now. So I hope you already enter into that. Statistical operations, we are in the discussion now. So there I'm going to talk about statistical operations. So already we discussed about it. We have seen about the first function. I'll show you the example also. One is called what? NUMPY. What is this? Come on. What is the function name I said? A max of this function. Syntax is NUMPY dot A max of ND array object comma what? Access. The another function I will take it. Second one. A min of I will take it. So here I'm going to take it access only, same content only. So next I will go to the third one. I will take it mean of the same syntax I will pass it. So here I will take it mean of. So here I will write mean of. Next I will go to, this is just mean only. And you have seen already the Python environmental code here. We will find out that. Next, the fourth one is called what median. Median of, we are going to discuss about numpy dot mean of. This is median of. So median of ND array object and axis. Variance of what here? Variance of, going to get it axis wise. And the last one is called what STD of, standard deviation. And I'll write here standard deviation of the values here. Standard deviation. This is called STD. So I'm going to take STD here. So these are the statistical functions we are going to get it. Okay now? So now I'll go to what? ND array object. With all these things, I will explain it. What these functions will do. Pragnadeep, mode is not there, ma? And a note point to remember is mode function is not present in NumPy, but it is present in the mode function. And one more function is there, multi-mode. This I will explain. As along with this, I will explain. These two are present in a module called statistics. Module called what? Statistics. So these are present into statistics module. It is present, which is one of the predefined module of Python itself. So this is not present into where? Which module? NumPy module it is not present. If we call np.mode of, if you write it, you will get attribute error, you will get it. So let me go for A max, A min, all of them I will try to do this now. So let us execute. So this part I will go to it. So I'm going to enter into this area. Go to this place. Here I'm going to get it. So let us start with a new. I'm taking ND array here. ND array object, I'll take it. Is the screen is okay, students? Is this Jupyter Notebook screen is okay? Is it visible to everybody now? So the problem was there in my laptop only. I hope in the previous some hanging problem was there. Okay, let us take the data here. So finding statistical operations here. So import NumPy as NP here, and I'm taking A is equal to NP dot random dot random dot randint of something like 2 comma 50 2 comma 50 size is equal to some 15 I am taking. Size is equal to some 15 I am taking. So here I am writing content of A, content of A is equal to, now I am writing print of A here, print of A. This is my data. So I want to find the max of this. How to find the max of this? Here only I will write it. Print of, I am writing here max. Max value is equal to, max value is equal to, max value is equal to, come on, how do you write it? So max value is equal to here. If you want a variable name is equal to np dot a max of you pass it a, so that I will print the max value. Max v I will print it. You want to print min value also you can write it. Np dot what min of np dot min of that point of time whatever the random values are there, that type of max and min value will present. So max v, there I am writing min v. I am writing here min v. So there I am writing min v here. So I'm going to get this data. At this point of time, maximum value which is printed, and at this point of time, min value is printed. And if I try to do one more type of trial to run, at that point of time, what is the max and min? That time max value is 41, min value is 20. Are you following me? Next, be careful, students. The same example, I'm going to carry, I'm going to carry this area. In this place, up to you print it. Up to this you print it. This is called 1D only. Now I'm going to write this. I can write happily what? Reshape I can write it. Reshape of what? 15 values means what? 3 comma 5 or 5 comma 3 like that you can take. If you take an element called what? Something like 16 if I take it. I can take 4 comma 4 I can take. Now instead of that I can go for what 4 comma 4 directly you can write it. Are you following me now? This is called what matrix? Come on. 2D. From this, I want to find the max. I want to find the max. You can happily find the max and min, no doubt in that. I will find max of 2D. Here I am printing max of 2D. So maximum value is printing, minimum value is printing, from both of them it is done. This is the overall matrix max and overall matrix min. Now I want to find a column wise, column wise column column and what, row wise max, row wise max. Find the column wise max value, and row wise max value also I want to get it. Row wise max value also I want to get it. So how do I find out that? To find the row wise max and column wise max, we are supposed to call it as what, same thing. I will get this data. Here I am going to write it. Axis is equal to, first time you are learning about the concept of axis. Here, observe students, this is a matrix here. The matrix is going to contain columns. This columns is given as a 0. This rows is given as what? 1. So axis 0 represents what? Columns. Axis 1 represents what? Rows. And this constant value will differ from one situation to another situation. So once again I am saying axis is equal to 0 represents what in statistical operation? Columns. Axis is equal to 1 represents what? Rows. Now I am going to write it. Axis is equal to what? 0, A max, And now I'm going to write it. Axis is equal to what I'm writing here, 0. In value, max value. What I'm finding first now? Column wise I am finding. Axis is equal to 0 represents what? Column. Axis wise is nothing but I'm writing axis is equal to what? 0. And I want to find the max value. Find the column wise axis is equal to 0. Max value I am finding. So how to find out? Carefully follow. And you want to print that A also, you can print it. Print of A. Content of A, I can print once again here. Content of A. I'm just trying to write it. So try to print, students. Now see this now. And you are already getting. What is the max value if it is the same data? If it is the same data, what is the maximum of this column? 33. 33 na? 33. In that, what is the column highest value? 29. What is the next year? 48. What is the next year? 33. This is called column max. What is the row max here? This is column max. What is the row max here? So come on first. 27, 27, 33. Come on. 30. Here 33. Next 38. Next 48. This is called what? Row max. So see that type of output. So in this case, already you have seen in this case it is called 33. In this case, you have seen 29. In this case, you have seen 48. In this case, you have seen 33. And in this place, in this place, min. This is called what? Column related, right? Column related things. Min. Column related min. See, axis here. Axis is 0. What is this? Max we find. Min. Column related min. What is the minimum in this column? 13. Next minimum 7. Next minimum 4. Next minimum 6. Are you following me? Now, I will go for what? Max. Row wise. What is the axis? I forget. 1. 1. Max value and min value. Both. ఇక్కడ నేను max and min అని రాస్తాను. Max and min. Come on, Mo, tell me now. Axis is 1. Axis is 1. Here I will write it. Row wise matrix. Row wise max and row wise min value. So I'm going to get it. Row wise max 27. Next row wise max 33. Row wise max 33. Row wise max 48. Row wise min 10. Row wise min 4. Row wise min 7. Row wise min 6. I hope you are getting this. Clear? Important. If I am having so many number of rows and columns in a big samples, if one can find the max and min values easily. Able to get it? Now, is there any other way you can get it max and min, students? Is there any other way you can get max and min with your knowledge? Suppose I want to find this row. This row is there. How to find the max? Of course, you have to apply. This is okay. This you are getting it. Now, my sir already said 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. This is called 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. I'll apply what? Max of. First, you try to locate that entire row once. How do you locate? A of 0, 0 colon. 0 colon means what? From starting to ending. This is, I will write even like this. Colon only I am writing it. Colon only I am writing it. How many columns? 0 colon 1 only. 0 colon 1 only. This is called one column. That is called this column. This is row na column. Not like this. This row I want. This row. So I wrote 0 comma 1. Total columns. Are you following me? For that I will apply what? Max. I'll apply max. Are you getting or not? That is also called what? Max. So here you see A of 0 colon 1 comma just colon. This is going to give you what? First row value. I will apply on that area called what? Max. Max value I will apply. So it will give you what? It will give you, it will give you the same data is coming. A max norm, A max norm, x is equal to print of x. So it is giving that data only. So here you understand, wait, it is not giving you that data. It is not giving that. For value in, 1 minute you wait. For value in, print off this value once. But another way I'm talking about it, for value of this data, print off this value. This is not working. First of all, giving the same output. This you write it for value. It is going to give you the complete output is coming. Here I will write it. Here I will write it. For V in value, this is a V I'm going to pass it. This is the values we are getting it. Here I'm going to take it. Something like M is equal to something like, value of 0 if I take it. Value of 0 if I take it. Here I am writing if V greater than what, M. If I write it, M is equal to V. If I write it, M is equal to V. If I come out of that, I will print off what? M. And it is giving you what? Max value. Are you following me? In this place, I'm getting the max value. Getting or not? So these logics are very, very important. That's why each step you need to iterate it. Each step you need to iterate it. So other way to find the max. Sure, sir. Other way to find the max. First you try to get it these values. So what is the question here? A of 0 colon 1 comma what colon. This will give you what? Complete array. This will give you complete array. Complete array. This is ND array object. That ND array object want to get the values. How do you get the values? If I say value in, I'm going to get it. Value in, it means complete value is coming this one. From there I want to get it value. How do I get it? For V in where? Value. For V in value, that I will add to one list. LST is equal to, I'm writing LST is equal to something like this. Here I am trying to write it. Here I am trying to write it. LST dot append of V I can say. Append of V I can say. Where I can find what, max of LST I can find. You'll get the value 27. This way also you can find. Now once you know subject well, you can do these many things. So here I'm getting ND array object that I'm taking values separately. I'm appending to this list, and on list I'm applying what? Max. So you must have the knowledge on how to use the library functions, plus how to write your own code also you need to do. Of course, there is no doubt in that NP max function is there, min function is there, you can apply. But when they ask you how do you write your own code, you must be capable of able to write it. That's why we must be perfect in where looping statements, which are very, very important for you to understand everything. Are you following this max and min? Similarly, you can go for what also? Mean, median, and then standard deviation. When I come on Monday class, I'll be discussing this area because some disturbance is coming today. That's why even some students may be left. Even time is also over. Monday class, when I come back, I will explain with a complete calculation, and I'll complete, even I'll revise this max and min. I'll move forward. Okay now. Thank you. Carry on. Don't miss on Monday. Right, students. Thank you.